What's up, guys? Today I want to talk to you about how I approach a lock when I'm picking one for the very first time. This is also going to be my entry into the Adam 100, the Adam Harris 100 subscriber giveaway. Before we get this show on the road, don't forget to hit that like button because you know you're going to like this. Also, if you are not yet, please subscribe. Let's get into it. The first thing I do when I approach a lock is if I have the keys, I test them out. You want to make sure that your lock is functioning, and you can also find out quite a few things from using the key as well. I know that it's not a sprung core and it's not a sprung shackle, and it's also key retaining. I don't usually look at the bitting. I want to try to figure it out on my own. If I have problems down the road, then yes, I will take a look at the key and see if maybe, there's something I'm missing. But usually I try to do it without looking at the key. Then I inspect the keyway, take a look at it, and try to figure out what tools are going to be best for tensioning and picking the lock. Tensioning, you should have a ton of tensioners because you need those. 9 times out of 10, a standard flat hook will get the job done, and that's what I use starting out picking. If I have trouble, I will switch to a longer hook, but for the most part, that is usually what works. Before I even stick a pick in there, I like to give it a few compliments, okay, because it does help. That purple is just gorgeous. And that shackle, wow, amazing. And what a beautifully paracentric keyway you have. I like to pick in hand for the first time I try. After a while of this, if the sweet talking didn't work, then I like to usually sing a song. Isn't she wonderful? Then if this doesn't work, we resort to a little bit more of a kind of demanding tone. Look, you're going to open. I didn't spend $10 on you to make me look like some kind of here, all right? Then I try again. Last but not least, I like to threaten violence. Look here, you simple son of a you're going to open. Because if you're not, you're going in the river. I'm going to throw you in the river. Sometimes I'll switch up my tools midway through picking as well. And once again, try some more. Eventually, though, it feels like you've been trying this forever and nothing is going to work. Guys, sometimes you just get a crappy lock. And sometimes you can be picking forever and it just won't open. And you just have to say, you know what? Oh, well. And try a different one. I would like to congratulate Adam Harris one more time for that 100 subscribers. He's up to 155 as of the making of this video. So congratulations, Adam. You're doing great. He's got some really great videos up. He loves to get in on any of the community things, and he's very involved in the community. So he really will answer any of your comments that you leave on any of his videos, and he's very community driven. And you can enter his giveaway if it is before May 17th. You can either leave a comment in the comment section of his 100 subscriber video using hashtag Adam100 and leave a comment on how you would approach picking a lock, or just, state that you would like in his giveaway. I'm not really sure on that. You'll have to go back and watch it. Also, you can do a video like I just did, showcasing what it is that you do when you first approach a lock, and use the hashtag Adam100 when you are posting your video. Congratulations to Adam, and thanks for watching this one, guys. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe.